In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Microsoft Loop. If you're just getting started with this tool, or if you're a seasoned user looking for a quick refresher, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll be navigating Microsoft Loop with ease. First, let's begin by heading over to the website. You'll want to open your favorite web browser, whether that's Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and type in loop.cloud Microsoft in the address bar. That's going to take you straight to the home page of Microsoft Loop. If you haven't already, you might need to sign in with your Microsoft account. It's a straightforward process, very similar to signing into other Microsoft services. So just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're in, you'll see the main workspace. Now let's zero in on the search functionality. Look toward the upper corner of the page. You should see a magnifying glass icon or a bar labeled with the word search. That's the key to finding everything you need within Loop. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you've located the search bar, the next step is to figure out what exactly you're looking for. Let's say you're working on a project and you want to pull up some notes a colleague shared last week. All you have to do is click into that search bar, type in some keywords, perhaps the project name, your colleague's name, or any related task, and hit enter. Loop will then comb through your files, documents, and notes, and bring up a list of results that match your search criteria. Sometimes, if the results are too expansive, you might find that refining your keywords helps. For instance, be more specific or consider filtering your results by recent updates. Knowing exactly what you're after can save you time and pinpoint the exact document or note you need. Now that you've performed your search, scrolling through the results, you should see a detailed list, hopefully with exactly what you're looking for near the top. Click on the item that best matches what you need. This action will open up the document or note right there in Loop, ready for you to read, edit, or share as necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully searched within Microsoft Loop. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use the search and familiarize yourself with different ways to refine your criteria, the more efficient you'll become. Thanks for joining me today. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to boost your productivity with Microsoft Loop and other powerful tools. Until next time, happy searching.